How to change your phone number on OnlyFans. First of all, come over to onlyfans.com and log into your OnlyFans account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, on your OnlyFans account's homepage, at the left section, click either on More or on your profile picture at the top left. And then select on Settings. And under Settings, click on Account. And under your account info, you will find Phone Number option. So click on Phone Number. And here you will see your previously added phone number which will be verified. And now in order to remove your old phone number and add a new phone number to your OnlyFans account, here click on Update Phone. Now here make sure your country is selected. If it is not, just select your country and right to it, enter the new phone number that you want to add to your OnlyFans account. Once you put your new phone number, here click on Save. And then select on this checkbox I am not a robot. And then verify the CAPTCHA. Once it is verified, now again click on Save. And then you will receive a code from OnlyFans on your newly added phone number. So enter the code here. Once you correctly entered the code, now lastly here click on Verify. And then two-step authentication with SMS will be enabled on your OnlyFans account. Means whenever you sign into your OnlyFans account, you will receive a code on your newly added phone number and you can log into your OnlyFans account. So now here let's click on Close. And that's it, your newly added phone number will be verified and the phone number on your OnlyFans account will be successfully changed. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can change the phone number on OnlyFans account. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and if possible leave a comment. And if you want to turn up two-step verification on your OnlyFans account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.